Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful makeup look. I really hope you guys like it. I'm gonna go ahead and start using the bhcosmetics palette and take me to Ibiza, and we now have a discount code with them, so you can use prettygrace for some money off. And I'm gonna start off with this brown shade, and I'll apply this right onto my crease, and that's going to be our transition color, just going to help us blend all the colors. Then I'm going with these two brown shades right here and using a paper card folded, and I'm gonna use this as my guide to help me do like my little tail. And you can use whatever you guys have around. I just had this card where I was writing my Spanish words, so I'm just gonna use this to help me guide me where I want the little smoky tail, and I'm just applying those colors. And it's okay if it looks crazy, we're gonna definitely blend this out at the end. So just want to have something that's going to guide you where you're going to place all your colors, and you're going to stop. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to go ahead with this color right here, and this one's going to warm up the eye look. So I'm going to apply this right onto the crease as well, and I'm just going to do this a little bit gently, not too dark, because I really don't want it to be too intense. So I'm just going to apply this a little bit and then blend it out. And then I'm just going to go back again with those brown shades and reapply them in the outer corner, because I really want the outer corner to be the smoky part. So I'm just using a Morphe brush and just taking my time and blending those colors in, making sure that the outer corner is going to be the smoky part. So I didn't fast forward this video because I wanted you guys to see how long it took me to do this look. I'm going to go ahead and grab a Morphe brush, spray a little bit of setting spray, and then I'm going to go with this color right here, and I'm going to apply this right onto my lid. So I wanted to go with a sultry, sexy look, and I decided to do this look right here. I didn't want to go too crazy because I know I have been doing really dramatic looks, but I also wanted to give you guys a versatile looks on this palette, that you can do crazy looks, you can do dramatic, you can do smoky looks, you can do sultry looks, you can do all kinds of look with this palette. So I wanted to give you guys like different variety of options, and that's what I'm doing right now. So you just want to make sure you apply that color with a brush and put some setting spray, so it helps you with the fallout, and it helps with the applying. It just makes the color pop a lot more. It looks so pretty. I really like this. Alright, so after I went ahead and applied my colors, I'm going to go with a brown pencil. This is from Marc Jacobs, and it's a brown color. And I'm going to apply this right onto my lash line. I'm just using this to smoke it up a little bit. So you just want to go ahead and apply it. It doesn't have to be like clean or anything. I just kind of wanted to have something brown and not black, because I didn't want the look to go a little bit too crazy. So I did bring it out a little bit just to kind of wing it out. So I felt like this one wasn't too winged out. So I'm going to go ahead and definitely reapply the colors just to bring it out a little bit more and just, you know, smoke it out. But I'm also putting this in my waterline because I felt like if I didn't put something in the waterline, it was going to look kind of, I don't know, empty. I don't know. I didn't like it, so I decided to put this brown pencil instead of a black one. I didn't want it to look too dark. So yeah, you can use. Alright, after that I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyelash glue to my lashes, and while my lashes are drying up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and touch up anything that I feel that needs to be touched up. So I'm applying a little bit of the Morphe setting spray. It smells so good. And I'm going to reapply that lid color again, just because I felt like it was disappearing on me. So I'm just going to go back and tap that color a little bit onto the lid just to make sure that the color is coming back. Then I'm going with this glitter from the Urban Decay, and I'm just going to do like a little bit of a liner. Not really. It's just going to follow the brown liner that I applied, just to give me a little bit of sparkle. I've never done something like this, and I kind of wanted to try something different. So I was like, you know what, let me just add a little bit of sparkle. Then I'm going to use another Marc Jacobs brush, and I'm going to use this color right here. It's like an orangey glitter shimmery shade, and I really like how this look turned out using that one in the inner corner. It just made the whole look pop a little bit more. So beautiful. So I just apply that right there. You guys can see how beautiful that looks. It's very golden, so pretty. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of that brown shade that I had in the outer corner just to smoke out my bottom lash line, because I did really want this look to be a little bit smoky. And then I'm applying again a little bit of setting spray to that brush and applying the same color I applied in the lid. I'm applying in the bottom lash line right in the inner corner just to make it pop a little bit, you know, not too much, not too crazy. I just kind of wanted everything to mix together very well. So I did the same thing I did on top, I do it at the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. And these are my Into You lashes from the Bold Makeup. I'll link them down below for you guys. These are my favorite lashes. I wear them almost every day. So definitely check them out. I do have a discount code with them. I think it's prettygrace for some money off. Like I said, I'll link everything down below for you guys. So here I'm just going back and retouching anything that needs to be retouched. Once you apply your lashes, your look does definitely change a little bit. So you do have to go back and retouch anything that you feel. So I'm just cleaning up anything that needs to be cleaned out and blend out, and yeah, it was a very easy look. But it looks like you did a lot of work when you really didn't. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for my lashes to dry a little bit. I still do have a little bit of wet glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. This is the IT Cosmetics new mascara. I really like it. I just feel like it dried up too quickly for me. I don't know if there was something wrong with it, but it just dried up really quickly, so I feel like I can't really use it anymore. I don't know. I'm going to contact them and ask them if there's a reason for that, or did I do something to it, but I don't know. I've been using their mascaras for a long time, and I've never had an issue until this one. I feel like it just dried up really quick. Alright, and for lips, just to keep it simple, I'm going to be using the Morphe lip gloss. I think this is the color Boho. It's one of my favorite lip glosses. I'm actually going to be purchasing more because I'm actually running out. So, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I really hope you guys like this look. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.